everyone, welcome. Allison here. So today we are going to be making some leftover turkey from Thanksgiving. I do have a jar of canned chicken that I had canned. Got some rosemary, a can of cream of mushroom. Then we have some poultry season, garlic and onion powder. You can use black pepper. I've got white pepper, so I'm going to use white pepper. And then some salt. And then, of course, for the veggies, I've got some carrots, some celery, mushrooms. That's optional. If you don't like mushrooms, you can totally keep that out. And then I got some onions. I've got about, I don't know, probably 3 large carrots, a half a stalk, or not half stalk, well, yeah, a half of a stalk of the celery. I had just used what was left as far as my mushrooms go. I had a half a pack left over, and then I used 1 large and 1 medium onion. If you don't like that much onion, then by all means don't use it. Like I said, just the leftover turkey. I did chop up some rosemary right here. Looks like, I don't know, I probably won't even use all of that, because that looks like there's about 2 tablespoons. I probably won't need that much. Alright, so I'm going to take you guys over to the stove. Before I do that, if you are new here, hi, Allison. Hit that subscribe button if you have not done that already. Hit that notification bell. Hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment. Alright, can't wait for you guys to try this or watch this. I think you guys will really enjoy this, especially since it's a great way to get rid of leftovers. Alright, we'll meet you over there. Okay, so I've got 2 cups of self-rising flour. I've got a half a cup of regular 2% milk, and then till it reaches 1 3/4 cup is the rest of heavy cream. Now I'm only, oh wait, no, my bad, almost messed up. You need to add a half teaspoon of salt. This is a 1/4 teaspoon, so I'm going to do 2 of these. And then I've got a 1/4 cup of just room temperature butter. This is unsalted butter. If you're using salted butter, then I would use maybe only the 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. You know, that's entirely up to you though. Okay, now we can pour in about half of this. Now these dumplings are going to be not like biscuits. They're going to be like thicker than pancake mix, but thinner than, I don't know, kind of thicker than the cake mix. I don't know how to explain it. You'll understand what I'm saying when you see it. You don't want it soupy, but you don't want it to be thick either, like a biscuit dough. You want it kind of in between. It's like right now I can tell you already I'm gonna need the rest of that. Might even need more. Yeah, I can definitely see I'm gonna need more. Well, maybe not. Yeah, I am. Okay, so I'm gonna need at least 2 cups. So let me add some more milk. So I normally just eyeball this. I normally don't measure. Now this is gonna make a lot of dumplings, so you can always have it do like 1 cup of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then like maybe the 1 3/4 cup of the heavy cream and milk. So this is gonna be good. I might have overdone it. I think I overdid it with the milk on that last one. Over pour. Yeah, I should have put less milk. Alright, let me add some more. Because like I said, you don't want it like a bread batter or a biscuit batter. You want it runnier than that. Oh, there we go. There we go. Perfect. If I keep getting out of the screen, I'm sorry. But that's it. That's how you make your dumplings. That simple. I had to guess on measurements because I don't measure. But I wanted to give you guys some kind of measurement for them. So, alright. I will see you guys over at the soup. Okay, so I'm just going to take one of these little scoops like this. And I'm just going to plop them in. Okay, you don't want to stir. You just kind of want to push them around. Alright, I'm going to add some more. Okay, so we're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. so we'll see when it's done. Okay, so about 15 minutes later, this is what we've got. Oh, look at this. Alright, let's give it a try. Go. This is going to be so hot. Look at that steam. I'm going to take some of the dumpling. Try to get a little bit of everything. And the turkey. Wow, look at that. Oh, that's gonna be hot. Very, very hot. Alright, there we go. So good. Alright, you guys gotta definitely give this a try. It is so yummy. And it's a great way to use your leftovers for Thanksgiving or from Thanksgiving. Gosh, even Christmas if you have turkey at Christmas. So anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I've got some pictures following after this, so stay watching and you can see them and see how everything kind of come together. And I hope you try this and then let me know. I've got a Facebook channel. Sorry about that. I've got a Facebook group. So post my pictures of any of the recipes or any of the crafts that I do. You know, if you guys make them, you know, post pictures. Come and join us in the group. All of the information is down below. I've got an Instagram, the Facebook. I do have a Twitter, but I don't really get on that. But yeah, so come check it out and leave me a comment down below what you guys think. I will see you guys next time. I love you all, and don't forget to always smile. Bye.